Back to our channel. Today I am going to be planting some hybrid turnip seeds. They're by Johnny Selected Seeds. And no, this is not, it's not sponsored. This is just a new way that I am going to be trying to grow some vegetable plants. And also, I found out that my neighbor and my sister-in-law and a few of my other family members would like to also start vegetable gardens. So I'm going to be helping them out as well. So I'm going by using seeds instead of starter plants. So what I have here, what these are, I got these at Home Depot. These were $2.50. You get 10 of these like little bed things, and you get 50 beds. So they come in trays like this, okay? And you get 10 of those, and so there's 50 beds altogether, so you can plant your seeds. Okay. Now open up the pack so you can see what the seeds look like. That's what they look like. They look like they're little round balls, really. And let's see, a minimum of 400 seeds come in the pack. It takes 38 days for them to start to grow. So 99% germination rate. Okay, well, what I am going to do is I'm going to put 2 seeds in each pot, little home here, as I like to call them, just in case we do have a dud, because you never know, you know. So let's do 1 and 2, and then cover that up. 1, and then 2, and then cover that up. And the soil that I'm using is for raised bed, plus my compost and some cow manure. It's my favorite combo, really. But when I'm planting stuff in ground, I do use soil that's made for in-ground use. All right. And then with the coming videos that I have, the upcoming videos that I have, I will definitely do updates for you guys on these plants, because I've never really worked with seeds before. So this is my first time, so I will definitely give you some updates. Alright, now I'm going to get started on the rest of these. This is very time consuming, I will say that. And hopefully the rewards will be plentiful. They're very little, so it's very hard to see how much you're actually dropping in there, I will say that. I don't remember if I put anything in that one. Darn it. It's the only thing you can't really see what you're, if you're dropping anything in or not. With the dark colored seeds, because look how dark colored they are. They're the same color as the soil. Oh, oh, oh. That almost became a tragedy. The envelope almost fell and the envelope was open. Oh. Alright guys, that's the end of this video. I will bring you updates as soon as we start to get some greenery going on here. Talk to you later. I love you.